There's a cruise ship just coming underneath the landscape bridge, the Norwegian Sun. There's not a lot of space between the top of the ship and underneath the landscape bridge, and when big naval aircraft carriers come in here up from the States, they park out there, because if they have to go out on call, they're too high to go underneath the bridge there. So maybe somebody can Google Norwegian Sun. Free style cruising. It's a nice ship. I'll go back to that in just a second. Just want to show you where I am. I'm still basically considered at Ambleside. This is where the dog walk area is. Train bridge, and this is First Nations property here. My ship. And if you look at Stanley Park here, I told you that it goes right through the middle of the city. Well, here's part of downtown. You can see it sticking out of the park there. Downtown, Stanley Park landscape. And the sun's going down now. It's after 6. I'll walk for a little bit, trying not to be jerky, of course. Hey, and somebody commented, they said, really, really, or really, really. And then they put in quotation marks, Michael style. Do I really say really a lot? Or really? The sun's in that direction, so you might just get a lot of silhouettes. Still cruising up to see. And as far as I know, the next stop is Alaska, or that's where it's destined to go, is Alaska. I'm not sure what stops it makes on the way. But I think these ships stay here between 24 hours and a week. Then they head up to Alaska. One thing I noticed about Vancouver is that I put on a lot of sunblock, but still my skin's getting dark. And maybe it's because between here and the sun it's not as obscured as Seoul with pollution and clouds or whatever. But I'm out for a couple hours in the sun here, and I feel a burn coming on, but usually I put sunblock on before I go out. I'm going to stop just up ahead here. This is the dog walk portion of Ambleside. You can see why. And tonight there'll be way more dogs. People had dinner. This is the crotch sniff corner. People have the dinner, they walk their dogs. And everybody knows that part is the dog shower. To get the salt water off the fur.
Stay right there, it's gonna suck.
And that's where I took the video prior to this one. So, we have the last little pan, the dog shower. Second Narrows Bridge in Stanley Park in downtown. The sun going down, and a beautiful ship heading off. So it'll be dark. Well, not for quite a while, but it'll be dark enough so I can't shoot another video probably. So I keep wanting to say this is Mike in Korea, but this is Mike in Vancouver.